Good morning, and thank you for joining me, Coach Michael, on your Monday morning. This past weekend, starting Thursday evening, moving into Saturday, many young men were sitting around waiting for a particular sound. These young men over the last years, and most of them pretty much their lifetime, put in the work, put in the sweat, did the exercise, ate right, slept well, listened to their coaches, all for this past weekend to hear a particular sound. And that sound was a sound of a phone ringing and an NFL team to come calling for their services. The NFL draft. These young men put in the work to earn the right to get that call. And it's no different for you and I right now in this cycle. In business, we need to earn the right to get that phone to ring. Now is a slow period because of what's going on. Now's the time to really take the time, just like those young men did, to work on our game, to work on our business, to put the structure and the systemization in place. If we want to go further with our business, maybe we need to read some books and learn more about the different areas of our business so we can get that much better. So when things get good again, we have earned the right for our phone to ring. Now, those young men who were drafted this past weekend, the work just begins. It doesn't end. Now they have to earn the right to make first string, make the team, continue with the team, and hopefully have many successful years in the NFL and go and start a new occupation or journey after the NFL. But all the work they put in from here going forward will determine that outcome. And it's the same with us. So now let's earn the right to get that phone to ring. Take the time, search out experts, mastermind with your team, and innovate ideas of how you can become better. So when we come out of this and back into the spring and the summer cycle, we will earn the right for the phone to ring and take our business to the next level. I hope this has been valuable. Like always, I want to appreciate the fact that you joined me, Coach Michael, on your Monday morning. I want to wish you a productive and profitable week, and I'll see you next Monday. Go get 'em.